Yeah.
So yeah, we've just had a seagull running down the road. Well, not running, sort of hobbling down the road. Looks like a baby one. So we brought it into the garden. Nelson's looking very interested in it. Just give it some, what is it? Sea bass. Hello Nelson, this isn't for you.
Oh, maybe Nelson might want some.
Do you reckon I should give Nelson?
Hi, Nelson.
Can cats eat raw fish?
I
Yeah.
think so.
Nelson? Nelson? Try that. There you go. Chewy. Look. Look. He's very scared. Look. Look.
Oh, fucking hell.
Bloody hell, it does like that. That's gonna be... Bloody hell.
No, fucking hell.
It's eating a lot.
No, it'll choke.
What? Seems to be enjoying it.
Oh, Jesus Christ. You could have cut it up.
I didn't realise.
Oh my fucking good.
Do you reckon I should cut it up?
Well, you can't now.
Is that nice? Probably need to get some water as well, maybe.
Oh, this
Bloody
is
hell.
legit silly.
I'm sure they can regurgitate it, whatever it's called. Poor little Nelson, he got a little bit. This one's got the whole...
Is that all that was there?
No, there's another one here.
Oh, I just don't believe what's happening here. No.
Bloody hell.
No. Is he having a laugh? This can't be right.
It's doing well.
Oh my God.
Need to get some water in a minute. Where's it going to sleep tonight? Should we put it in the spare room?
Stupid. You need like a bowl of water so it perhaps can...
But it seems to be enjoying it. That would help it survive.
It doesn't seem to be standing... Oh, it's standing up now.
It's fine. No, it's eating it. Did you enjoy that? Is that nice?
Well, this is...
We'll
something new.
we'll keep you posted on how it survives.
Hello.
Shall I go and get some water?